Welcome back everyone. So in the last video we solved sleep issue, and in this video we are going to solve timeout cancellation. So let's dive in. Okay, so we are given a function, an array of arguments and a timeout t in milliseconds. We have to return a cancel function. So from this cancelable we will return a cancel function, and after a delay of cancel time millisecond, the return cancel function. So this is what we'll return from this cancelable, and what the LeetCode internally will do is they will call the cancel function after cancel time milliseconds. This is not in our control. Okay, so LeetCode will do it internally. So return cancel function will be invoked after this millisecond. Now initially the execution of the function fn should be delayed by t milliseconds. So this milliseconds we will delay the execution of fn function with arguments. Now if before the delay of t milliseconds the function cancel function which we will return from this function is invoked, it should cancel the delayed execution of fn. Otherwise, if cancel fn is not invoked within the specified delay t, fn should be executed with the provided arguments as arguments. So let's see. So this is the function, this is the arguments, this is the t, that is 20 milliseconds. So internally LeetCode will be having this cancel time millisecond. So first we will delay the execution of this function for 20 milliseconds, and if that cancel function is not called before this 20 milliseconds, then we will execute this function, else we'll abort the call of this function. So let me write the solution first. So what it is given is we have to return a cancel function. So this is a cancel function, let's suppose this. Okay, and we have to do is we have to block the execution of function for t milliseconds. So what we'll do is we'll set timeout, and we'll call fn.apply null with args after t milliseconds. Now we are going to return this cancel function. Okay, and this timeout will run after t milliseconds. So after t milliseconds, this will obviously call this function with these arguments. Now if someone called this cancel function, then we have to abort calling this function. Okay, so how we will do is we'll take the return value of this timeout, that is subscription. So let's say timeout subscription, and if someone calls this cancel function, then we will and subscribe from this subscription, that is clear timeout, and we'll pass this subscription inside this timeout. Okay, so let's see if this works or not. Okay, so all the test case has been passed. Now we'll submit this. Okay, so our solution got accepted. Now let me explain you once again. So as per the requirement, we have to return a function. Okay, cancel function. What it will do is it will like first we will hold the execution of function for t milliseconds. That's what we did using timeout. Now we will return a cancel function from this cancelable, and if someone calls this function, then we will abort this operation. So for example, t is 20 milliseconds, t is 20 milliseconds. So for first 20 milliseconds, there is nothing going to happen. But if before 20 milliseconds, someone calls this function, that is cancel function, then what we will do is we'll clear the timeout and passing this subscription. So what it will do is it will cancel this timeout and fn will not be executed. Okay.